What is going on, guys? Trying to get a good angle there. All right, so I just did a video and some filming on, I'm sure the video is already released, on how ceramic coating's been holding up for my Scat Pack behind us here. And I figured I'd also do a quick video for you guys, since we're all kind of supposedly stuck at home anyway, for you guys how my paint's been held up. So the vehicle here that we're referring to, trying to get this thing to turn around on me. There we go. Is my 2015 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, and it has, believe it or not, just about, if you can't tell, hopefully you can't, 120,000 miles on it. So it is, I'm a very proud owner, and I'll give a short spiel here that if you want to know what it's like to own this car, you should subscribe, and I'll leave it at that because that's all I seem to ramble anymore. But I kind of want to show you guys how the paint's been holding up, what I've done. First thing we need to talk about is the front of the car. Why the front of the car? Because, well, obviously you guys can probably guess it. That's what car gets most of its damage, especially since it is a highway-driven vehicle. The vehicle does have a clear brawl. You can kind of see the line. I think you can see the line right there. So, yeah, you can see it. It's pretty evident right there. It's the line. So the clear brawl is from there all the way down to the hood and the mirrors as well. So first things first, if you have the funds to do it, and this is a vehicle you plan to keep long term, such as mine, and you're on the highway, I'd highly recommend a clear brawl, like the whole front of the car. I mean, I'll show you guys real quick here. Came out, I just washed and waxed the vehicle. As you can see here, this front end is just not liking any of that. So this is all like actual damage because there's no clear brawl on the front end. Highly recommend it. The car was ceramic coated, so check out the previous video on that as well, and that kind of helped maintain some of the condition of the paint. The clear brawl itself does seem to do a pretty good job. There's some marks. I don't think the marks like actually go through the paint. Now I'm starting to run into an issue more recently where I am starting to see some damage. You guys can see that. Focus. There. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there is some damage now being on the top of the hood, oddly enough, I guess from rocks and chips. Let's see if you guys can see this. All right here. I don't know if it's showing in camera. So right by my finger. There we go. I don't know. I might have a hard time focusing, but they're there. So once again, the car has 120,000 miles on it. And I just want to kind of show you guys the condition of it. And yeah, so I meant to actually ask you guys this at the very beginning of the video, but comment below what is the worst thing about cleaning your car, whether you're washing it, you're waxing it, you're detailing it, I mean, you're trying to do paint correction. What is the number one thing that you hate about doing that? Because I'll tell you right now what it is, and if you thought a different answer, you're going to agree with me here in a second. It's finding all the new imperfections in your goddamn vehicle. You know, I'll swing over here. I don't think that is new damage. So there's some new damage. But I was so pissed off when I saw it. It actually looks like a good chip. I don't know how. Right here. And that should definitely be visible on camera. So that's an actual chip. So that sucks, guys. That's what sucks when you're cleaning your car. I got another chip here. So overall, I'll show you guys the paint, you know, is held up pretty decently, as you can see. 120,000 miles on this paint. There's obviously swirl marks or scratches. It's a black car. I can tell you right now, if you don't own a black car and you're some type of fanatic, don't get a black car. It looks great clean, especially if you just step away a little bit. I mean, if we look at it from this angle, I mean, could you tell it has 120,000 miles on it? I don't think so. So what else should I talk about? So the paint has swirl marks. So basically, I guess I'll wrap the video up with just saying this. Here's my recommendation, all right, guys? So if you're going to get a brand new car, and these things are selling very well, by the way. These cars are doing very well. I think I just read that this was the first month where they're not selling as well, but I mean, these things are selling like hotcakes, in particularly the 392, the Scat Pack, does very well. Matter of fact, my neighbor just got his brand new wide body it is stunning. Congratulations to him. It's a stunning looking car. So his is brand new, a 2020. Mine's a 2015. So these things are selling still well to today. So my recommendation though, guys, is what I would have done differently, what I would do differently if I got another new car down the road, is I would do the clear brawl in the front right away. I would actually do the ceramic coating and the paint correction right away and just try to maintain the car best as you can. I mean, but as you can see, I mean, I have a clear brawl partially up front. I ceramic coated it earlier on in its life, although not as soon as I should have. And I try to take care of it best I can. It still has wear and tear. That's supposed to be, it's going to be obvious. But the paint itself does seem to hold up. I kind of showed you guys some of the damage. Like I said, you probably can't tell on the camera, but there are like swirl marks here and there. Nothing bad. Like I said, I've had the car detailed before, and it doesn't look too bad. So once again, I'm sure on camera, it probably looks pretty good on camera. But that's all it is, guys. I am going to go ahead and let you guys go. I'm just going to be trying to do some short videos for you guys since, well, as I said previously, you know, I'm one of the few people you can find with a high mileage car that's been driven in. I've done everything with this damn thing. So if you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Obviously, I can't stress this enough. Smash that like button. That's how the video gets around. It's a short video. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you in my next short video, whichever that might be. Don't know.
It's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?